Today, let us look at the part 2 of the video of how to reduce the salt in bhindi fry. If you have missed watching the part 1 of the video, then the link is available in the comment section below or the I button above. Now let us start. Depending on the quantity of the bindis, you could also take 2 to 3 potatoes, parboil it nicely, chop it, and then add it to the bindis and then cook it on slow fire by mixing occasionally. What happens is the extra potatoes added will pull all the extra salt from the bindi fry, and then it will be neutralized. Next, you can try an easy method of just adding or sprinkling some besan or rice powder, rice flour on the bindis and mix it well. Add some extra masalas except salt if required, and then fry the bindis well. The extra rice flour or the besan will pull all the excess salt from the bindi fry. And lastly, take a pan, add a ladle of onion tomato paste or about 100 grams of onions chopped and tomatoes chopped. Nicely cook it in slow fire till it is mushy. Now add the bindis with extra salt to this fry, and then nicely fry the bindis by occasionally stirring it. What happens is this extra onion tomato paste will pull all the extra salt from the bindis. If required, you could add about half a teaspoon of sugar to it to add to the taste. This will also be very useful for you for reducing the salt in the bhindi fry. Thank you.